Are you ready for the 10 petite style secrets that'll change everything for women over 50? Hi, and welcome to Rock Your Fashion. If you're 5 feet 4 inches or under, this video is going to be a total game changer. Here's the secret. Being petite after 50 is actually an advantage when you know how to dress for your proportions. Once you understand these 10 secrets, getting dressed becomes effortless, and you'll look incredibly sophisticated. In this video, I'm sharing the exact styling techniques that petite women over 50 need to look taller, more polished, and absolutely fabulous. And petite style secret number 6? That's the one that uses accessories in a very clever way. Let's get started. Secret number 1. Master the golden ratio. This is the most important secret for petite women over 50, and it's called the golden ratio. The most flattering proportion for us is 1/3 top, 2/3 bottom. This means your top should end around your belly button or just below, and your bottoms should extend below the knee. This ratio creates the most lengthening, flattering silhouette possible. Here's why this works so well for us. When your top is too long, it shortens your legs and makes you look stockier. But when you get the proportions right, you create the illusion of longer legs and a balanced figure. A cropped cardigan with high-waisted trousers, a waist-length jacket with a midi skirt, or a tucked-in blouse with pants. These combinations automatically create that perfect 1/3 to 2/3 ratio. The beauty of this secret is that it's so easy to implement. Start paying attention to where your tops hit, and you'll notice the difference immediately. When you master this ratio, you'll look more polished, taller, and infinitely more put together. It's truly transformative for petite women our age. Secret number 2. Embrace one-piece dressing. Here's a secret that makes getting dressed so much easier. One-piece dressing is your best friend. Dresses and jumpsuits create an uninterrupted vertical line that's incredibly flattering on petite frames. When you wear separates, they can visually chop you in half, making you look shorter and stockier. But a single piece creates that long, lean line we're after. The most flattering dresses for petite women over 50 are those that hit just at or slightly above the knee. This length shows enough leg to create a slimming effect, while staying elegant and age-appropriate. A wrap dress, a shirt dress, or a fit and flare. These styles are sophisticated and incredibly flattering. You can also achieve this same effect with separates by wearing the same colour top and bottom for a monochromatic look. Navy pants with a navy top, black trousers with a black sweater. This creates that unbroken line that makes you look taller and more streamlined. It's elegant, easy, and incredibly effective. Secret number 3. Solve the sleeve length problem. Let's be honest, standard sleeve lengths are rarely made for petite women. They're almost always too long, bunching at our wrists and making us look like we're borrowing someone else's clothes. But 2 brilliant solutions actually work beautifully for women our age. First, embrace 3/4 length sleeves. What's 3/4 on taller women becomes the perfect full-length sleeve on us petites. It hits right where we want it without any alterations needed. Second, learn to roll your sleeves properly. This isn't just a styling trick, it's a game changer. A purposeful roll looks intentional and chic, not sloppy. Roll them once or twice to hit that perfect spot on your forearm. The same principle applies to pants. What's marketed as cropped or ankle length on regular sizes often becomes the perfect full-length pant on us without any hemming required. This is a secret that saves you time, money, and frustration. Shop the cropped styles, and they'll likely fit you perfectly. Secret number 4. Ditch the skinny jeans. This one surprises a lot of petite women, but skinny jeans are actually not your most flattering option after 50. Because they're so fitted, they outline every detail of your leg, making it obvious where your leg ends. They add extra emphasis to shorter legs rather than creating the illusion of length we want. The 4 most flattering pant styles for petite women over 50 are straight leg, boot cut, flared, or wide leg. These styles provide visual mystery about where your leg actually ends. creating a longer, more elegant line. The slight volume at the bottom balances your proportions and makes your legs look longer. For the absolute most flattering look, choose these pant styles in a high or mid-rise, wear them full length, and pair them with heels in the same colour as your pants or a nude shade. This combination creates the longest, most lengthening look possible for petite women our age. If you're finding these petite style secrets helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Rock Your Fashion. I create content specifically for women over 50, and your support helps me make more videos like this. Now let's continue. Secret number 5. High rise is your friend. This secret is crucial for petite women over 50. High-rise and mid-rise pants are infinitely more flattering than low-rise. High-rise pants sit at your natural waist, which creates the illusion of longer legs. They also smooth your midsection and give you a more polished silhouette, which is exactly what we want after 50. Low-rise pants do the opposite. They shorten your torso, make your legs look stumpy, and often create that dreaded muffin top effect that none of us need. They cut you at the widest part of your hips, which is the least flattering place to create a horizontal line when you're petite. The most sophisticated petite women over 50 always choose high or mid-rise pants. They pair them with slightly shorter tops to maintain that golden ratio we talked about, and the result is a long, lean, elegant silhouette. This is one of those secrets that makes an immediate, dramatic difference in how polished and put together you look. Secret number 6. Draw the eye upward. Here's a brilliant styling secret. Your goal is always to draw attention upward toward your face. The way to do this is through strategic accessories near your neckline. A beautiful statement necklace, elegant earrings, a gorgeous scarf, or even a stylish hat. These accessories draw the eye up and make you appear taller. On the flip side, statement shoes actually work against you. Bold-coloured shoes, heavily embellished footwear, or shoes with busy patterns draw the eye down, which makes you look shorter. This doesn't mean you can't enjoy beautiful shoes. It just means they shouldn't be the statement piece in your outfit if you want to appear taller. The most elegant petite women over 50 understand this principle. They invest in beautiful jewellery and scarves that draw attention to their face and create that upward line. They keep their footwear more neutral and understated. This simple shift in where you place your statement pieces makes a remarkable difference in your overall proportions. Secret number 7. Nude shoes are your secret weapon. This secret is absolute gold for petite women over 50. Nude or flesh-toned shoes in a shade close to your skin tone create the illusion of never-ending legs. When your shoe colour matches or closely approximates your skin tone, it acts as an extension of your leg rather than creating a stopping point. Dark shoes, especially with skirts and dresses, can look heavy and unflattering because they draw the eye down and create a harsh line where your leg ends. Look at the difference. A black shoe with a dress creates a visual full stop. A nude heel allows the eye to travel up your entire leg without interruption, making you look taller and more elegant. The only exception to this rule is when you're wearing full-length pants in a dark colour. A black pair of pants with a black shoe or navy pants with a navy shoe works beautifully because you're creating that unbroken line. But for skirts, dresses and cropped pants, always reach for nude or neutral shoes. This is one of the easiest ways to instantly add height to your appearance. Secret number 8. Choose bags that are proportionate to your frame. Oversized bags on petite frames make us look like children carrying our mother's handbag. It completely overwhelms your proportions and makes you appear even smaller than you are. The secret is choosing bags that are to scale with your petite frame, small to medium-sized bags that complement rather than overpower. When shopping for bags, if there's a small, medium and large version available, always choose the small or medium. This keeps everything in proportion and makes you look sophisticated rather than overwhelmed. A medium structured bag, a small crossbody, or a petite top handle bag. These options look intentional and polished on your frame. The right-sized bag makes you look like a confident, well-dressed woman who understands her proportions. An oversized bag makes you look like you're playing dress-up. This small adjustment to bag size makes a surprisingly big difference in your overall appearance. Secret number 9. Skip the midi length. Midi dresses are incredibly popular right now, but here's a secret for petite women over 50. They're not your most flattering option. Midi lengths tend to hit at the widest part of your calf, which creates a stumpy, unflattering proportion on shorter frames. They also make you look shorter rather than taller. The most flattering dress length for petite women over 50 is right at the knee or just slightly above. This length shows enough leg to create the illusion of length, while remaining elegant and age-appropriate. It's the sweet spot that makes you look taller, slimmer, and incredibly chic. Pair a knee-length dress with nude heels, and you create the optical illusion of never-ending legs. A wrap dress that hits at the knee, a fit and flare at this length, or a shirt dress styled properly. These options are sophisticated, flattering, and make you look polished and put together. This is one of those secrets that makes shopping for dresses so much easier once you know your ideal length. Secret number 10. Full-length pants. Here's the final secret that ties everything together. Full-length pants are significantly more flattering on petite women over 50 than cropped or cuffed styles. Cropped pants create a harsh horizontal line that chops your leg and makes you look shorter. They emphasize exactly where your leg ends, which works against us. The most flattering pant length is full length, meaning it grazes the top of your shoe or has a slight break. This creates an uninterrupted line from your waist to your feet, making your legs look as long as possible. Combined with a heel in a matching or nude color, this is the ultimate lengthening combination. Now, are cropped pants the worst thing you can wear? No, and many of us wear them in summer. But if your goal is to look taller and create the most flattering silhouette, full length is your best choice. The ultimate flattering pant for petite women over 50 has 3 elements: high or mid-rise waist, full-length hem, and a straight boot-cut, flared or wide-leg style. Wear these with heels and you've created the longest, most elegant look possible. So there you have it, 10 petite style secrets that'll change everything for women over 50. When you implement these secrets, getting dressed becomes effortless and you'll look incredibly sophisticated. Remember, being petite should not be a limitation. It's about understanding your proportions. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Which secret surprised you most? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care, stay confident, and remember, elegance has no age limit.